Good morning, guys. I am at CVS for our video for this week. I really feel like it's super slow. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm getting here super late today. I usually get here at 8 when they first open and try to be out before pharmacy opens. It's already like 9:20. So, not feeling super motivated for today, but nonetheless, there are some deals I'm gonna share with y'all. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure to just smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bells so you...
It annoys me. There's like 10,000 parking spots, and people always find their way to park next to you. I don't understand it. I just don't understand it at all. Anyways, so...
yeah, hit the like button, support your girl, ring notification bells, and miss out on the video. So without further ado, because I have a glare here right now, let's get in the store and see what kind of deals we can get today here at CVS. Alright guys, so this first deal we're going to grab is on these Shaq razors. It is buy 2 get back 10. And so for this, I'm going to grab men because I do have a 6 off 20 Shaq men CRT that I'm going to use. And the cheapest one that they have are these right here, priced at $11.99. So you're going to grab 2 of them. The total is going to come to $23.98. And then we're going to be using the 6 off of 20 right there. I'm also going to be using a digital for one of them and then a paper coupon for the other one. So it's going to bring that down to paying $9.98 out of pocket and getting back 10, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Alright guys, so this is what this transaction looked like. I just grabbed the razors by itself. For some reason, my 6 off 20 CRT just did not want to come off. And so I just had to do it by itself. But it's weird because it didn't show up as a CRT. It looks like just a CVS coupon. But the printable was there, the digital's there. And then I used a $10 extra care buck, and then that $5.98 was the 6 off of 20 CRT. I don't know why it came out like that. But yeah, so 0 was our subtotal, and then I got back the 10. So, all right. So my next deal is on L'Oreal. It's on the Age Perfect as well as the Revital Lift moisturizers, our facial care. It's spend 20 get back 10. So for this, I'm gonna grab 2 of the Revital Lift creams, which are priced at $16.99. The 2 is going to come to $33.98. I'm going to use a 5 off of 1 printable, as well as a $10 off CRT. Now we do have digitals as well, so I'll end up paying $13.98 out of pocket, getting back 10. I'm bringing it down to $3.98 for 2 of them, or only $1.99 each. Alright, so this next deal is on the Fruities. It is 2 for $8, and it's also buy 2 get back 2. And so for this, we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. We're going to use a 3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. Now we also have a digital as well that is glitching, so you're going to pay $2 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $2, making it absolutely free. Now we're also going to be grabbing the whole blends as well, which is also 2 for 8, buy 2 get back 2. It's the same exact deal, but it's a different promotion. And so we're going to go ahead and grab 2 at 2 for 8, use the printable. It's going to glitch with the digital. We'll also pay 2 and get back 2, making them both free. Now, because I have a 3 off of 15 CRT, I'm going to grab all 4 on one transaction. We use a 3 off of 15 CRT. We're going to use $3 printables. We'll use the digitals. And we're going to end up paying $1 out of pocket, but we're going to get back $2 for the Fruities. And then we're also going to be getting back $2 for whole blends, making this a $3 moneymaker. All right, and this deal was perfect, you guys. It worked out absolutely perfect. All right, so there goes the Garnier at the very top. There goes the whole blends, the L'Oreal. I went ahead and added an extra L'Oreal cleanser at $7.29. I figured why not? With the printable or digital, you'll pay $5.29 and get back 2. So that was a great deal. All the coupons I used today, they all scanned. We did get a double glitch with whole blends and Fruities. And there goes our $10 L'Oreal CRT. There goes a 3 off of 15 Garnier. I wrote a total of $17.37 in extra care bucks. And then I walk away with a total of, I want to say 16 total. So it made this deal a really, really awesome deal. And so, yeah. Last but not least, this deal is on the CoverGirl. It's not the greatest deal, but it is a moneymaker nonetheless. So CoverGirl is buy two get back 5 this week with a limit of 1. And for this, we're gonna grab the also mighty cheap pencils priced at $4.99. So 2 of them is gonna come to $9.98. We'll use a $3 printable as well as a $3 digital. We'll pay $3.98 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back 5 in extra care bucks, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. And so here's my little itty bitty haul for you guys for this week. Everything worked out really good with this haul. All my digitals. Well, only digital I had issues with our CRT was the 6 off 20 on the razor. It would not come off. I was doing that with the L'Oreal cleanser, and it wouldn't come off. And so as soon as I did it separately, it popped up, but it came up under like CVS coupon rather than like a CRT. And so, yeah, that was the only issue with today. Other than that, I did get a double glitch on whole blends and fruities. And I think the only receipt I didn't show you was the one with the CoverGirl on it. All right, so there goes the Garnier at the very top. There goes the whole blends CoverGirl. And then for the coupons, I used the $3 printable for everything, basically. And then I used the digital for the other CoverGirl. There goes the whole blends and the fruities, 3 off 15 CRT. I wrote $4.98, and then I got back a total of 9 in extra care bucks. So that deal did work out pretty good. It was a nice $4 moneymaker. Other than that, you guys, everything else worked out pretty good today. I think it's a super slow week, but if you do any deal, I would say do whole blends and fruities. I know that stuff we get for free plus moneymaker all the time. This week is no exception, and so those are definitely deals I would do because after the coupon, double glitch, and the 3 off 15 CRT, you end up paying $1 getting back 4. So it's a $3 moneymaker, which is awesome. First store I went to didn't have any fruities at all, so I had to go to the second store, and they had everything, so I was able to use 3 off 15 there. And then the L'Oreal is a decent deal too, especially if you have that 10 off of 1 email CRT, which mine's expired today on that deal. And this is also a good one to throw in as well, especially if you have a threshold CRT, because with that, you're going to use a $5 printable or digital. You'll pay $2.29 and get back 2. So 29 cents is not bad for that. So everything you see here retails $107.23. I had $75 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, was right there out of pocket down to $32.23. And then I walk away with $35 in extra care bucks. So everything ends up being free plus a $2.77 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. Other than that, if there's any deal that you're running for this week at CVS, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.